This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see 2025 marketing jobs which is offered by SBO for completely free. First, about us, you can learn the business concept and the mission and vision by reading this page. Let us move to the next slide. In the plan variants, you should share a digital marketing content in Facebook and Instagram to earn money here. First, in the marketing executive plan, this is the basic plan, and per task you can earn rupees 5. The next plan is individual marketer. When you purchase an education course for rupees 5,999, you can become individual marketer. Here per task you can earn rupees 50. The third plan is marketing associate. When you refer a person from the free plan, which is marketing executive, to individual marketer, you can easily become a marketing associate. Here, in addition to the daily task income, you can get the intro bonus from the individual marketer and the referral repurchase income, which is rupees 500. Let us see in detail. First, marketing executive. Here, the plan is completely free and you can earn up to rupees 150 per month. The daily task, you can earn rupees 5 per task, and the task limit is 1 per day. So, per month you can earn rupees 150. For the daily task, you should share the content on social media. And after reaching rupees 500 and above, you can simply withdraw the amount. This is a completely free plan and everyone can join in this plan. The next plan is individual marketer. Here you should buy a course from Educast for rupees 5,999 and you can earn up to rupees 20,000 per month. Here, and the limit is 1 per day. So, the earning per month will be rupees 1,500. Here, no referral required. And for daily task, you should share social media content. And after reaching 1,500 and above, you can simply withdraw the amount. The next plan is marketing associate. Here, when you refer a person from marketing executive to individual marketer, you can move to this plan. For the referral, you get rupees 1,000 per referral. For the daily task, you get the same amount, which is rupees 50 per task, and the task limit is 1 per day. And for each referral, you get rupees 1,000, and for every repurchase of individual marketer, you get rupees 500 per referral. And the referral limit is 40. You can also get 20% of referee's daily task income. For example, if you refer 10 persons, each month you get daily task rupees 1,000 for your ID, and for each referral you get 1000. So for 10 persons you will get 10,000, and if they referrer do daily task they will get 1500 each month. So for 10 IDs 15,000, from that 20 percentage, that is rupees 3,000 will be credited to your account. So the total earnings will be rupees 14,500. Here also you share the same content on social media, but the content will differ from the previous plan. For referral amount, you will get 1,000 and you can withdraw within the 24 hours, and task income will be rupees 1,500 and above, and this can be credited on monthly basis. So for each month you will get both the income. Let us see the summary. In the marketing executive plan, you join for free. You get day-wise income and referral income, and the limit is 40%. For individual marketer, you buy a course from the EduQuest for rupees 5,999. Here also you get daily task income and the referral income, and the limit is 40. In marketing associate, when you refer a person from marketing executive to individual marketer, you can easily become a marketing associate. You get daily task income, referral income, and the limit is again 40. Here you get extra intro income from the individual marketer, and when individual marketer reach rupees 20,000, you have to repurchase the amount, and from that you can get rupees 500. So let us see the benefits of purchasing EduQuest course. Upon successful completion of purchase, you will get the following rewards. You can become an individual marketer in SBO, and you can learn digital marketing course from EduQuest, which includes basic course and mid-level courses like how to create a website, how to create a YouTube channel, how to rank YouTube channel, etc. So you can also get reward points worth rupees 6,000. So whenever you purchase a product from BuyMote supermarket, for every 1,000 rupees you will get rupees 100 as bonus points. So you have to pay only 900, like that. So these are all the benefits you can attain. So join now to start your journey in SBO. So here are some of the points you have to remember. First one, once a user reach rupees 20,000, so when any user get rupees 20,000 and above, he have to repurchase the course or services from SBO affiliate partner. So second point is, it is mandatory for all the users to have an active PAN account and user account. So the user account should match the PAN name. Both should be same. And the third one is, in third point, when you refer someone as marketing executive, he or she should done the task for continuously 5 days. If you fail to do, then the account will be terminated. And the next point is, the referral amount will be credited within 24 hours. You are not paying any amount to SBO, only to affiliated partners. So it is completely mandatory and there is no compulsion in joining these plans. So to eligible for this plan, she should complete 18 years of age and at least you should study 10th and above. And the last point is all the payments are subject to total deduction of including TDS 20%. So read carefully all the terms and conditions, and if you wish to join in any of these plans, you can simply comment me in the comment section. Thank you.